Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're reviewing an audio live streaming app called Glow Live. And trust me, you want to watch this one all the way to the end because I'm going to share a mistake I made when I first joined that you definitely want to avoid. A friend of mine introduced me to this app, and after seeing his earnings in just 1 week, I decided to give it a try. So in this video, I'll be walking you through how to get started, how to complete your verification, and how to perform your tasks. But first, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not affiliated with, endorsed by, or officially connected to the Glow Live app or its developers. All opinions expressed are my own. I do not guarantee any results, earnings, or outcomes from using this app. Please do your own research and use your own judgment before engaging with any platform or service discussed here. Alright, with that said, let's get into it. To get started on Glow Live, you need to download the official app. You can find the download link in the description of this video. I strongly advise you to use the agency link so you get the correct official app and not the wrong one. Once you click the link, it will redirect you to the Play Store. Go ahead and tap Install, then tap Open once it's done. The app will bring you straight to the dashboard. But you're not done yet. You still need to register. Tap on Profile to get started. You'll see a login screen pop up. Don't be confused. Even as a new user, just tap Login. Then select Sign in with Google. Any new Google email you use will automatically create a new account. Now, pay attention here. You'll be given the option to set your profile picture, nickname, and gender. The invitation code will already be filled in automatically, so you don't need to touch that. Just update your nickname. And if you'd like to operate as an agent on the platform, add the word agency to your name. Once you're happy with your details, tap Register and wait for your avatar to upload. Congratulations, you now have a Glow Live account.
The next important step after registration is completing your face authentication. Without this, you cannot become a host on the platform. Here's how to find it, because it's easy to miss. Go back to your profile page and look for where it says Host Data. Tap on that, and you'll see an option that says Complete Face Authentication and 2 other options. Make sure you complete all 3. It is very important that you complete all 3. When you're ready, tap Go Authenticate and follow the on-screen steps. Once your face authentication is complete, you are officially qualified to become both a host and an agent on the platform. Now, let's talk about how you actually make money. To see your tasks, tap on the rewards icon, also called the task center. This is where your earning tasks will be listed. Glow Live is an audio streaming platform, which means you do not have to show your face. All you need to do is open your panel, seat yourself, and stay live for the required amount of time. Here's the earning breakdown as at the time of recording this video. 1 hour of continuous audio streaming equals 50,000 points. 2 hours of continuous audio streaming equals 100,000 points. Now, 100,000 points equals $1. So you're earning $1 for every 2 hours of streaming. Important. Make sure your mic is not muted while you are seated, or your time will not count. This new host task runs for 7 days. After that, you earn 5,000 points per hour, so make the most of those first 7 days. Also note, a new day on this platform starts at 5 p.m. Nigerian time. That means your task will set at 5 p.m., so aim to complete your 2-hour session before then each day. If you stay consistent, you can reach the minimum withdrawal threshold of 1 million points within a week. Glow Live isn't just about sitting on the mic. There are other ways to boost your earnings.
You have the treasure box coins. Whenever you're in a room or party, you will notice a shaking box in the top right corner. That's the treasure box. Collect coins from it regularly. You can use those coins to gift yourself and earn points, upgrade to a VIP package, play games, or exchange them. You can also mine coins, water your plants, and also steal other people's unclaimed coins by checking from time to time. Stealing is allowed in this app. You also have the games. If you enjoy games, this is a great opportunity. Glow Live's games reportedly give you a 70% chance of winning. Each game spin you win is converted to points, and this is the fastest way to cash out if you have the mind to stake mega or big. To play the games, head to your panel, tap on games, and select either Hot Ocean or Jungle Hunt. These are the games I love to play. Pick your stake and spin. The higher your stake, the higher your potential winnings. Just remember, on this platform, you withdraw points, not coins. Coins are a tool to generate points through gifting, games, and VIP upgrades. Gaining followers also rewards you with coins. 10 followers equals 2,000 coins, and 50 followers equals another 2,000 coins. If you want to go the extra mile, you can invite friends to join using your link. Each qualifying referral gives you 3 draws, which can translate to real dollar earnings by visiting or clicking on the invite banner and then spin your draws. And when you hit the $20 threshold, you can withdraw without any hitch. It's optional, but if you can do it, it's worth doing. And don't forget to go to your invite section to claim your reward after each referral. Now, the part you've all been waiting for. Let's talk about withdrawals. The minimum withdrawal amount on Glow Live is 1 million points, which equals $10.
But here's what most people don't tell you, and this is the part I really want you to pay attention to. To make your first withdrawal, you must meet at least one of the following conditions. Complete an exchange worth 1 million points, or receive gifts worth 1 million points, or invite at least 30 people to the platform. Once you meet any one of these conditions, you are cleared for your first cash out. After that, these conditions no longer apply to future withdrawals. My recommended strategy: focus on your 7-day task to rack up around 700,000 points. Then purchase coins, either from a coin seller or through my agency's coin seller, whose WhatsApp number is in the description, and use those coins to play games and close the gap. Or gift yourself. Let's say to rack up 700,000 points with your first 7 days and buy like 1 million coins to gift yourself. During cash out, you will be withdrawing $17. Let's say you do nothing more on the app. But like I said, I have seen a lady in a WhatsApp group I belong cash out $98 within 2 days playing just game. But I must confess, she's a heavy risk taker because she bought 1 million coins and staked 60,000 coins per spin and hit some jackpots. Some other do referrals, and some take things slowly to complete the first withdrawal threshold to claim their cash out.
So if you are asking, is Go Live paying? Yes. As at the time I made this video, Go Live is paying. As long as you meet their withdrawal conditions, you can cash out your earnings. So that's everything you need to know to get started on Go Live. Let me know in the comments if you are going to give it a try. And if you discover anything new on the platform, share it with us. Let's learn together. If this video was helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps get this content out to more people like you. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new update from me. This is Hustle Smartly with Emmanuel, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't miss it.